Hello everyone, Les Webster here, and today we are looking at CTR Nitro-Fueled. 20 years later, after the original CTR, we finally get a remaster of it. I'm very looking forward to this game. I hope, did that come out right? I'm really looking forward to it. Whatever, you know, I'm so excited I can't speak English today. The CTR is my favorite game, and I can't wait to play the new one, see what it's like. Sorry about that. It's got all the CTR characters, got CNK characters, it's got all the tracks. Well, I don't, with a caveat, the PS4 game gets Turbo Track. I don't know about Xbox and Switch, but I know if you got the PS4 version, you get PS4 exclusive content, skins and whatever, which is pretty neat, I guess. I guess not if you own an Xbox or a Switch or anything like that, and I guess it's not so sweet, but yeah, anyway, let's look into it, because you don't want to hear me talk. You want to see what's inside. So anyway, you saw the front, there's the back. I already took out of the wrapper. Let's look inside. There we have a redeeming code, get digital content, whatever. Background isn't anything special to look at, which I'm a little bit, I mean, I'm not upset over it, but it would have been nice to see some like really cool artwork in the back rather than just like limited time warranty or whatever. Anyway, so then we have the disc, which looks pretty slick if I think so. Like you got Crash on the front there, you got a nice, I can't really tell what track that is. It might be Slide Coliseum if I had to take a guess. Maybe. Anyway, yeah, it's gonna be awesome, or at least I hope it is. I hope it ain't trash. That would be such a bummer, because CTR is my favorite game, and I always imagined, you know, playing as it as a kid, what it would be like, you know, and you know, with all the fancy bells and with PS4 technology, because when it came out it was on PS1, and PS1 was, as you know, if you know your Crash Bandicoot trivia, the PlayStation 1 was not capable of you know, doing everything CTR or what Naughty Dog wanted to do with it. So it's gonna be awesome. I think it's gonna be awesome. I haven't played it yet. I haven't seen any reviews on the, well, I think I did see, maybe that was something else, I don't know. I'm kind of in the dark here. All I know is that you can race as any character from CTR and Crash Nitro Kart, and all the tracks from those two games are there, with the exception of Turbo Track as PS4 exclusive. I don't really know how adventure mode's going to work. I don't really know how arcade mode will work. It has to be different based on how, you know, how to unlock all the Crash Nitro Kart content. I know Tag Team is in there somewhere too, which I really like Tag Team. Not everyone does, for obvious, you know, for reasons I understand. But it's something I really like. But anyway, the hype is too real for this one. I'm very looking forward to playing this. As for the rest of the channel, this is pretty much going to be the end of the video. This next little bit is about a channel update for my 111 subscribers. I know that I wasn't originally going to do a channel update, because those were like for bigger channels, but I think, you know, that wouldn't be fair to you people that out there that, you know, subscribe to me. So I just want to let you know what's going on. When I first started this channel, I never really went into it with the intention of doing it as a career or making money off of it. I just wanted to see, you know, how far I could get. Like, everyone had Crash Bandicoot fever when the Insane Trilogy was coming out, so Crash was on my mind. I was like, maybe I can do a YouTube channel about Crash, draw some, you know, characters, because I'm halfway decent drawer. And I couldn't really find any good videos of like drawing obscure characters from Crash, so I was like, maybe that's what I could do. So that's what I did, and when it was over, I didn't really know what else to go, you know, where to go from there. I tried Sly Cooper, I drew Spyro when, you know, the Reignited trilogy came out. So what does that mean for the future? If I have something that I really want to do, then I'll do it. If not, then I don't really have any good plans with it, because my work life has kind of, you know, made it a little hard for me to take care of the channel, because it's changed since then. I won't go into any great detail, just, you know, priority sake. You know, that's really the only thing here. Anyway, so if you sat through my my ramblings of to what's going to happen to the channel. I guess I'll show you one other thing that the game came with that I wasn't expecting, is that it came with this Crash Bandicoot Hula Girl bobblehead. There's the side. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll probably just keep it. I don't know if I'll... Well, you can see that it's got 3M sticker on the bottom. Like, you'd peel this off and stick it on your dashboard. But I don't think I'll put it in my car. I think I'll keep it at my desktop at my house or something. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I didn't expect this in the mail, to be honest with you. I pre-ordered the game. I thought I was just going to get the game. And lo and behold, I pre-ordered not the nitrous oxide edition, but I'm not too concerned with the extra stuff that the oxide people got that I didn't. The bobblehead and the original, you know, the standard game is enough, but yeah, anyway, there he is in his glory. Crash Bandicoot is back. What's going to happen next? Because the game is 1 day old, and everyone's like, what's going to happen to Crash next? Are we going to get a brand new adventure, or are we just going to continue down this line and get Crash Bash remastered, Wrath of Cortex remastered, and then it's just an infinite loop? What's going to happen with Crash? I don't know, but I'm really interested in what's going to happen next and see if he's going to stick around, because that means I have more content to go off on my channel. And I just really like Crash Bandicoot. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me talk, and have a good day.